Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. 76 Barbican Road is a favorite complex to a select few who value privacy, security, and location as top priorities. This unfurnished 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom villa has been recently renovated and is one of the few units in a gated Kingston 6 complex with its own pool. New floors, a new kitchen, a new pool deck, and new bathrooms await. The unit has a generator, a 2-car covered garage, a large pool deck, and a beautiful back and side garden. Guys, let's take a look at this unit, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental cost is US $4,800 or Jamaican $738.7 thousand per month. To rent this unit, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.